Hello YouTubers out there, welcome back. Today it's New Year Day and it arrived today. This is a solar panel. I've been waiting for this one quite a long. During the pandemic I bought one, but it didn't come, so I have to buy another one, and I went for this one. This is from a company based in UK. It's Photonic Universe. This is a 12 watts solar panel. This is the foldable one. It's not 3 panels but only 2. Okay, so I'm taking this out just to check how it is. There we go. It comes in this plastic bag. Yep. And I have to tell you, why did I buy this solar panel? Well, I'll tell you, I'm buying this one mainly for camping and some bikepacking trips that I want to do in this summer. I want it to be energy self-sufficient, you know, to charge my smartphone that I need for navigation, communications, and also taking some pictures when I don't use my camera, because I like photography. And I also need it. I have the USB charger for my camera batteries, and I also can charge it using this. So it's mainly a tool for giving experiences, and that's what we have to do, buying things that can give us experiences and enjoying things. So far so good. Outside, I like the color. This is an uncommon color for a solar panel. Normally they are all black, and this is this blue, this light blue that I like a lot. Outside there is this mesh. It's a back mesh with 2 zippers. There are 2 zippers over here, very smooth. And inside there is this bag where you can place your power bank and your electronics while charging. It's not recommended just to plug your smartphone directly for one of the ports, because they can damage your batteries, you know, your smartphone battery. So they advise just to put a power bank and connect the smartphone to the power bank, and that will be safer for your electronics. And that's what I'm planning to do. You have here 2 ports, 1 ampere USB and 2 amperes USB. 2 USB ports over there. They look quite nice. There is the instruction manual here. 12 watts portable USB solar charger, Photonic Universe. There's the company over there, and you have the manual explaining everything. I haven't read it yet, but I will do. The specifications of the panel, the contacts of this company. You know, this is one of the reasons that I made business with them, because many solar panels that you see out there, I bought this one using eBay. Many of the solar panels, they are, I don't know, they look not trustworthy, you know. There is no name, there is no company outside them. So I know there is a company there that I can contact for customer support. It's the first time I do business with Photonic Universe, but I have seen they sell a lot of solar panels in UK, so I think it's a good bet. This is the first video that I think is on YouTube about this solar panel. I was searching before buying this one for unboxing and reviews on this foldable solar panel, but I didn't find any. So I'm doing this video. Hope if this is your case, that you are looking for more information, you will find this useful. So let's open. Nice strong Velcro over there. You see, 2 solar panels. Quite good. The stitchings are quite weight made. You have 4 loops, 4, taking out the one that you use to open the flap. You have 4 loops that you can attach to your panniers in your bicycle, with those hooks over there, and you can ride and charge your batteries while you are on the run. And you can also use this to attach for the back of your backpack, this way, hanging on your backpack, and while you are hiking it will charge. And this is I think it's a nice tool for people looking into outdoor adventures. I think it's nice to have this freedom. Nowadays we use a lot of electronics like smartphones just to get around. For example, in my case, I use it for navigation. I used to have a GPS, a handheld GPS, but I'm using my smartphone now, and I think it's a nice tool. It's a nice tool for you to enjoy out there and finding the best opportunities while you are in the field. So, photonicuniverse.com, this is their foldable 12 watts solar panel. My next video will be about doing a review or like a test on how efficient it is to charge your electronics, for example your smartphone. I don't have the proper tools like the current measure tools that you can plug on the USB and see how much energy it's delivering, but I will find a way just to give you a practical test and you will have an idea how more efficient this is. I don't know, it's the first solar panel of this type that I have. I also have one of those, but they are not quite good. They are the power bank that has the foldable panels, you know what I'm talking about? It's a power bank with foldable panels. It's only about 5 watts, if I remember. They charge, but they are not quite good. So I hope it will give me a better efficient output to charge my electronics. I'm buying this one for camping, for hiking, not quite good because I don't hike during several days, but it's more for camping and bikepacking trips in mind, just to charge my smartphones, but also my battery cameras that I use for taking pictures. Okay guys, so there it is. Hope you find this useful. Next time let's test this baby, foldable solar panel, for making you more self-sufficient. So this is the first one, the first review or unboxing of this solar panel. Okay guys, hope you like it. See you next time.